everybody. This is a Lamley showcase. I had a couple of surprise finds today at Target. Around lunchtime, I wandered into a nearby Target, walked back to the car aisle, and was very surprised to find 3 Datsun 510s from the Japan Historics 2 line. No other models from there. But more surprising and more pleasing was I finally found an entire set of the Hot Wheels 50th Favorites Batch B. Not only the entire set, but the entire case looked like it had just been pegged because all 10 models were there. You can see 3 Gassers, 2 Camaros, 2 Galaxies, 2 drag buses, and 1 Dodge Little Red Express truck. But here they are. I bought myself a set. I've taken them home, and let's open them up. We are going to get right to it. You are familiar with the 50th Favorites. The first batch has been out for quite a while. They're on these large cards similar to the pop culture and car culture cards, at least in size. This first batch has been out for a while. The Datsun 510 has been the one most people have been after. Strangely, the Econoline pickup has been the peg warmer. But here is the next batch. A nice group of collector favorites, designer favorites. I think the Gasser is the one that most people are interested in, but there's a lot of good ones here which we will get to. Starting with this. Volkswagen T1 drag bus, a collector favorite for years, going on 22 since it debuted in 1996, I believe, right? But since then we've seen it. This is actually the T1, so it's a different variation on it. But Zamac, right? How cool is that? Still the pivoting body. I've never been a huge fan. I've mentioned that. I've never been a huge fan of the drag bus. It's a cool model. It's an iconic model. I have a couple in the collection just because. The Golf, for example, but this one's going into because I like that it's a Zamac, unpainted with the flames and the 50th logo on it. Always a cool, heavy model, so I'm cool about that. It's this one, number 7 of 10, that I think is a very interesting one. This is the 78 Dodge Lil Red Express truck. Now, some of you who have been collecting for a long time know that this casting has been out for a while. In fact, here it is. It was a basic. This is the first edition basic range model. It looks exactly the same. And that's because the actual Little Red Express truck was just this color with the Little Red Express logo on the door. You really can't do any others. That's why it's become a Dodge pickup in any other colors. It was recolored in purple. But if I remember correctly, this is the only color this truck was ever released in. So it's cool the Hot Wheels did it. And I think it's even cooler, this is no duplication. This is a premium version of the Little Red Express truck. So hard to say Lil. But here you go, same logo, this time premium real riders, details in the bed, details on the rear. This is a complete version, and I think this was totally worth doing. Really good call in doing the Little Red Express truck. Here's the problem, though. There's only one per case. I think they thought this might not be as popular as others. I think this will be because I think it's a very, very cool casting. You tell me what you think. I think it's just going to be sought after because of its rarity, because it's only one per case. Still, it's a cool casting. I'd say it's up there as one of my favorites of the entire line. This one will be the one that most people will be interested in. It is the 55 Chevy Belair Gasser for obvious reasons. It's a beautiful model. I love the Gasser. A lot of you do too. This one is in a kind of rose pink with a fluorescent green roof and fluorescent green window. 3 per case because I think Hot Wheels anticipated this one being the most popular. So you have that going for you if you're looking for this model. Second thing is this is only one version. There is a Kroger exclusive coming. I think it's going to be out very soon. I actually featured it today on the Lamley Group blog. There's pictures. You definitely want to look for that one too when it comes out at Kroger. I haven't heard it being found yet, but it is coming soon. That one's in black. This one is in hot pink. Hot pink Gasser is just kind of a no-brainer. We know about the candy striper. This one's a little bit different color, but I think it's going to be popular. I think this one will be too. 69 Camaro in yellow. So I've never really been into the 69 Camaro casting. I like the real car. But the Hot Wheels I think are a little bit too raked. But this one looks really good in a very clean yellow deco, full front rear deco. And I like those GT Real Riders on it. So yeah, happy to have that one. It's definitely all these are going into the collection, to be honest. All 5 of them. And last but not least, now, I said that the Econoline was the surprising peg warmer of the first batch. So is the AMC Javelin. Both surprising choices as the peg warmer. This is the only one I've seen in other stores that's hanging, and I have no idea why. I did a feature on this Ford Galaxie before. This is a great casting. Debuted in Drag Strip Demons a few years ago. It's beautifully done, this Ford Galaxie, and this Golf version really adds to that collection. You should go to lamleygroup.com and look up Ford Galaxie, and you'll see the feature I did on it. It is a casting I think over time will become more and more popular and more sought after. Here's a great way to get started. So don't leave this one on the pegs. It's beautiful in the Golf Deco. There you go. There are all 5 of the next batch, numbers 6 through 10. That will be it. There will be obviously the bonus 11th model, the black gasser at Kroger. Go out and look for it. It's at Targets and Walmarts right now. There should be plenty to go around. That little red express might be a little more difficult, but keep your eyes open. Thanks, everybody. Bye.